we will look at while, and then we will come back to for loop, nested for loop, for each, all those things we will see once we are clear with the while loop also. Okay, so next example, while loop. The same logic, whatever you have written, right? Whatever you have written for loop, we are going to do the same thing with while loop. Before that, we will write the condition. Okay, we will write the syntax also. So what is the syntax for while loop? While within the brackets condition, while within the brackets condition, flower bracket start, code block, close the bracket.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first of all, you need to understand what is the purpose of it, right? While loop, you can write there in the comments, repeats a block of code repeats a block of code as long as the specified condition is true, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So now you will get a question, when should I use while loop, when should I use the for loop? Do you have that question?
Yes, sir. I do have that question.
So whenever you know the number of times, how many times you wanted to display the loop perfectly, right? 5 times I wanted to display my name, then I will go for loop. If at all you don't know the number of times you have to display, at that time you are going to use while loop. Got it?
Yes, sir.
For example, sir, how first one example is clear. For loop, I understand. I wanted to display my name for 5 times. That I am clear. But what is the example for while loop? That would be your next question, right?
Yes, sir.
For example, let me tell you one simple example. Let's say I ask you to go to the bus station and pick up your uncle at 9 o'clock. What do? You will go to the bus stop at 9 o'clock sharp and you will bring your uncle. That is one scenario. That is where your for loop comes into picture. Okay.
Okay,
Second
sir.
scenario, go to the bus stop. Whenever your uncle comes there, bring him to home. Do you know the time?
No, sir.
You will have to wait until he comes. Got it?
Yes, sir.
That is where while comes into picture. Sir, these examples, generic examples, which is life examples, but I want a software example. Okay. So what is the software example? Let us say you're opening one application, Amazon application or any application. Okay. Once you submit a form, you will have to click on a button once it is enabled. So you will have to wait until the button gets enabled. Are you clear with the while concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's how you will use while and for loops. Okay. Now the same logic, whatever you have written, right? For loop, I want you to display your name for 5 times using while loop. How do you write? While, while I less than 6, I less than 6. You can write I less than equal to 5 also, but I less than 6. Don't go with equal to, okay? It will not check multiple conditions. Flower bracket, system.out.println, I. And here you need to remember one thing, okay? So while loop, I, did you write I? Yeah. So first you have to declare the variable first. In the top, on the top, before while, you just write int I is equal to 1, and then inside the system.out.println statement, you have to increment the I value. Otherwise, your while loop will never end. Got it? If you look at, if you don't write I is equal to I plus 1 here, just write I is equal to I plus 1. I is equal to I plus 1. What is the other way of writing this? I is equal to I plus 1.
I plus
You
equal
can
to
write it.
1.
No.
I
I
plus
plus plus also you
plus.
can write. I plus plus also you can write. You can write I plus plus also. Semicolon. Now run the program. You can write Sriman plus I, so that it will be the same. And the after before I, double quote Sriman I. Clear? Any questions?
No, sir, it is clear.
Any now if you wanted to increment it to 8, how do you do? I less than 9. I less than 9. The same program you have written in the using for loop and using while loop. But where to use what, you already know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What if at all you don't increment the value I plus plus in between? Just 14th line, just comment that and see what is happening. I plus plus you have commented. If you see what is happening,
Streamer 1 is going for infinite loop, sir. Infinite times.
infinite loop, because what is happening, your I is not getting incremented. Always the loop is iterating 1 less than 9 printing, 1 less than 9 printing, 1 less than 9 printing. Because my I is not getting incremented, that's the reason it is behaving like this. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is the difference between for loop and while loop. And also, whenever you are working with while loop, terminate that program. Okay, on the console, terminate the program.